Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. We've got a CAT 2017 RC question here. Before you solve this question and before you go through the video explanation for this question, I would request you go through the passage analysis video, and then go through this video solution. Now, what is this video all about, which is the question that we are discussing? The question specifically states here in paragraph 6, the author mentions electrically powered bicycles to argue that. Now, electrically powered bicycles are mentioned right at the end, wherein the author talks about what will happen to our fantasies of independence. We will have to take to electrically powered bicycles. So this is the last line of the passage. Now, why does he mention it? So remember, this is mentioned on a lighter note, right? So this is something which is mentioned on a lighter note. The author is trying to make the point that when the ownership of vehicles is going to change, right? When electric vehicles are truly going to come into the picture, Uber is going to dominate, and when private ownership of vehicles is actually going to transform into public transport, these vehicles actually, because they've been transformed into public transport, what is going to happen is, so far we've derived a sense of autonomy, power, independence, right, from the ownership of vehicles. We've derived these facets. Now that is not going to exist anymore. So where do we look out for if we want these things? Which direction should we look? We look in the direction of electric bicycles. Owning a bicycle is a very private experience, right? Bicycles are in fact very difficult to share as well. So it's almost like a bicycle is a single use device, right? Hence you might have to look towards bicycles for your powers, for your fantasies of autonomy, for feeling that power, independence, etc., which is the option that goes with this sentiment. Option number B, our fantasies of autonomy might unexpectedly require us to consider electric bicycles. So this is on the lighter side. The question is also on the lighter side. Option number A, if Elon Musk were a true visionary, he would invest funds in developing electrical bicycles. Are not mentioned. Elon Musk does not fit in this context of the last paragraph. See, in terms of environmental friendliness and safety, electric bicycles rather than electric cars are the future. This comparison is again not made. Electric buses are the best form of public transport. Completely ridiculous answer option. Electric buses are not even mentioned. Hence, you arrive at the correct answer here, which is option number B. This is the reasoning that you need to adopt for this particular question. You need to catch that lighter sentiment that the author of the passage has implied. Once you do, it's an easy to identify answer. Hopefully so you're clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning.